Videoception. Tiltbrush now has videos. You can bring in your videos and use them as, a piece in your sketch. So this is the new Tiltbrush 22, version 22. Um, Here I have two videos actually intersecting each other, and if you get it just right, it can look like one video. So lots of different things I'm thinking about that I'll use these for. I think it looks really cool. That is really awesome. You can bring in reference videos or tutorial videos. So, yeah, that is really, really awesome. They have to be in an MP4 format, and I'm going to make a full length tutorial on how to bring the videos in. I need to find out how to bring in the online reference videos because you can link a video in here and it will give you a video. So this is, see through on the back, and then it just shows the video on one side. So we now have something new to play with. You also have a new selection menu. It pops out here on the side, and we have a group selection, which I'll talk about in depth on my full length tutorial. To find the new videos, all you do is go to your local media library panel, and then that will pop out. And once you touch a video, let me bring out another one for example. This is the one that comes in automatically with the folder. So once you touch a video, it will appear here on your preview in your video control panel. So you've got play, skip backwards, skip forward. You can also move the bar manually. And then if it has volume, you can turn the volume up and down, although that's only 2D right now, so it's not the 3D spatial. But when you touch with the controller another video, it will select that video and give you the controls for that video. So yeah, keep an eye out for the full length tutorial on Tiltbrush 22.